In this video, we will be looking into how to reset the forgotten password of a WSL user. Sudo operations like installing or updating packages would be restricted without using the correct sudo user password. For resetting passwords of any of the WSL-based Linux distributions, we need to open the Windows command prompt first. You may have multiple WSL installations like me. We can use this command to list out all the Linux distributions installed. Now we will be calling the subject distribution by writing its name in lowercase and removing all whitespaces, hyphens and periods from its name like this. Here we are changing the default user of the distribution to the root user, which would allow us to change the password of our sudo user Adnan. Now, as logged in as root user into our distribution, we can use pasp command to change password of any user. Once the password is successfully changed, we go back to the command prompt and set the default user to its previous state. Now we will be able to use the newly set password to perform sudo operations. This is all. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you can.